All right, hello. And in this video, I am going to be doing a step-by-step explanation on what each thing does. So for the first part, I'm going to explain the loading task in the todo.sh. What I used was the map file /t task and the to-do file. What this does is it reads the to-do data file line by line directly into the task array. The /t in it is the flag that removes the trailing new line character from each line so the formatting stays clean. Then we're going to go back to, we're going to go down to save task. And right here in save task, what I used is the echo, the star to do file. I use that to wipe the file clean. So like if we wanted to erase it or whatever. And basically what it's doing, it's just looping through the array using a for loop called for task in task, as you can see right here. And what it does is it appends each task back to the file using the 2 slashes right here. And the reason we do this is it ensures that if I were to delete a task in the app, it disappears from the file and new tasks are added permanently. The third one that we look at is the displaying task right here. And what I did was I checked if the array length in the task right here was 0. If it was not, then I would loop through the indices using the task. Sorry, that's a very hard word to say. The reason I did this was it mimics the contacts.sh logic exactly, since I added the +1 to the index of this part right here. I don't really want to explain the words of that because it doesn't look like words, but because the arrays are 0 index, so basically 0, 1, 2, but it usually starts as 1, 2, 3, so that's the whole reason it's like that. And then after that, we have the adding task and the remove task. Let's see if I can get those both okay, I can't get them to both show. Basically, in the add task, what we're doing is wait, what happened? Oh, right here. What we're doing is it's identical to the contact.sh, where it in the removed task, it's showing the line task dot right here. It's showing the task that equals that, which is crucial because if you delete the item 2, then you have a gap in the array. This line squashes that so that the array comes back together, numbering it, which is very important again, since we want 1, 2, 3 instead of 1, 3. Then we have the menu, which is right here. Basically for the menu, all you're using is the read right here, and then the /p, choose option, blah, blah, blah. This basically just allows it to print it on the terminal and prompt the user to click one of these, or click one, or not click, but use the number on one of these. And then, yeah, that's really the whole thing. What we're going to do real quick is we are going to open the terminal. I've already ran this, as you can see, but basically all you do is first you would use the cmon thing to download the file, or not really download, but download the executable file. And then after that, you just use the slash. Right there we have the to-do list manager. Right now, if we were to say view task, it is going to show nothing because there's nothing in our task manager. If we wanted to add a task, we'll press 2, enter, and I'll say clean the bedroom. And then after I press enter, it will go back to this thing. And then we'll just press 1 to view the task again, and then right there you can see that we have clean the bedroom. And after that, we can just keep going on and on to add tasks. So we could say mop the floor, and then 1. Then we have clean the bedroom and mop the floor. And then we can also remove. So if you press 3, it's going to ask you if you want to which task to remove. As you can see, the clean the bedroom and the mop floor. 1 is 1, 1 is 2. We're going to delete clean the bedroom. So that's going to be 1. After we do that, we can view the task, and we only have mop the floor now. And mop the floor has become 1 now since it was 2. And after that, you can just press exit, and then it says goodbye. So yeah, there is just a little executable file that I used to do this for you. Thank you.